If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel in 2026, you've probably heard about two of the most popular creator tools, VidIQ and TubeBuddy. But which one is actually better? Which one gives you more useful features? And most importantly, which one should you use for your own channel? In this video, we're going to compare VidIQ and TubeBuddy looking at their features, pricing, strengths, and the type of creator each tool is designed for. So by the end of this video, you should have a much better idea of which one fits your needs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what these tools actually do. Both VidIQ and TubeBuddy are designed to help YouTube creators. They don't create videos for you. Instead, they provide tools that help you optimize your content, find better keywords, analyze competitors, and improve your overall channel performance. They're basically productivity tools for YouTube creators. Now, let's start with VidIQ. One of VidIQ's biggest strengths is keyword research. It helps you discover topics people are actively searching for, shows keyword competition, search volume, and even suggests video ideas based on current trends. Another feature many creators like is its AI-powered recommendations. VidIQ can suggest titles, video ideas, daily content opportunities, and personalized recommendations based on your channel's performance. This makes it especially useful for creators who want help deciding what to publish next. Now let's look at TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy focuses more on optimizing the videos you've already created. It includes powerful tools for editing titles, descriptions, tags, bulk updates, thumbnail testing, and managing large YouTube channels. If you already upload content regularly, TubeBuddy can save a lot of time by automating repetitive tasks, especially for creators with hundreds of videos. Another important difference is the browser extensions. Both tools integrate directly into YouTube Studio, allowing you to see additional analytics while managing your videos. This means you don't need to switch between different websites while working. Now let's talk about pricing. Both platforms offer free versions, which are enough for beginners who simply want basic keyword research and optimization tools. However, many of the advanced AI features, competitor analysis, and automation tools are only available through paid plans. So if you're just starting your YouTube journey, the free versions are usually enough, and you can always upgrade later if your channel continues to grow. Now, let's answer the biggest question. Which one should you choose? If your biggest challenge is finding video ideas, understanding trends, and discovering what people are searching for, VidIQ is often the stronger option. Its AI suggestions and keyword research tools are among its biggest advantages. On the other hand, if your channel already has many videos and you want better organization, bulk editing, A/B testing, and workflow improvements, TubeBuddy may be the better choice, especially for experienced creators. The good news is that many YouTubers actually use both. They use VidIQ for research and planning and TubeBuddy for optimization and channel management. Since both have free versions, you can even try them yourself before deciding which paid plan, if any, makes sense for your workflow. So to summarize, VidIQ is excellent for keyword research, AI-powered content ideas, and discovering new opportunities. TubeBuddy shines when it comes to optimizing existing video, saving time, and managing large YouTube libraries. Neither tool is objectively better for everyone. The best choice depends on how you create content and what kind of help your channel needs the most. Because honestly, the best YouTube tool isn't necessarily the one with the most features, it's the one that helps you publish better videos more consistently.